Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the Gemini Crypto Exchange app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gemini application on your device and then tap on the sign in button. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. Just type in the email address associated with your account and then tap on continue. You will then be asked to enter your password. Just tap on the forgot password option underneath the password box. Then after entering your email address one more time, tap on the continue button and you will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. Once you enter the verification code that you find within your inbox, you can tap on the submit button and you will be allowed to create your new password. So type in your desired new password and continue forward and your password will successfully be reset. You can now use your newly reset password to log into your account in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Gemini Crypto Exchange app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next one.